So Chris, what if you have no hot water?
Okay, so in that situation, you want to go ahead and locate your water heater. So most likely it's either going to be in the laundry room or your garage. In this case, it's in the laundry room. Okay, once you locate your water heater, you're going to want to look at your light indicator status. So if you don't see any blinking lights, you want to go ahead and relight the pilot. You're going to see an indicator here where it says pilot. You're going to want to hold it down, and underneath is the igniter. You want to go ahead and push it as many times as possible until you see the green indicator light, meaning that the pilot is on. There we go. Once you get the green status light, you're going to want to let go of the pilot and turn the knob to your desired temperature, which mostly is hot. Will be at 120 degrees. You should hear your water heater fire up.